Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the steering wheel angle sensor on your 2007, 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe and Silverado or your GMC Sierra and Yukon. Alright, so first we had to get the column out. I have another video showing you how to get the column out. I'll link it in the description below. But what we want to do is we want to go ahead and remove our T20s. One thing we want to make sure we do is that we don't turn this assembly at all. I have the lock in here, so mine will only go this far. It won't do a whole rotation. You want to make sure that you don't do that. Let's go ahead, disconnect our sensor. Take a small screwdriver, stick under here, pop it loose. Slide this up. Now that this cover's off, what we want to do is we want to gently, you don't want to break this piece of plastic, pry this up and slide it off. Now that we have the old sensor off, we want to take our new sensor, leave the retainer in, and install it. Just slide it down easy, slide it into place, just like so. Then remove the retainer. Once we got the retainer off, we're going to slide the cover on. Just like that. Once the retainer's on, we're going to go ahead and plug in our sensor and reinstall this bezel. And you're done. It's time to go back in the vehicle. I'm going to make another video that shows the installation of this steering column. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.